Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the AI painter video trend on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So this AI painter video trend is created by a TikTok effect called AI Painter. As you can see, people are creating this video trend by facing sideways and then enabling the effect. There are some funny reactions. As you can see, some females turn into a male character while a male turns into a female character. So let me show you how to create this video trend on TikTok. So first you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Next you want to tap on search and you're searching for AI Painter. Now scroll down until you see AI Painter. It will appear under effects, which is right here. Tap on it. It'll look like this. For those of you who cannot see this effect, unfortunately, it is not available in your region or in your country. Try back later and hopefully TikTok will roll it out for everyone. Now tap on use this effect at the bottom. Now there are two ways to use this effect. You can use the effect on your face, which is through your camera. And the second way of using this effect is through your photo library. So to do this video trend, you want to first press record. Now you want to face sideways and then tap on the screen. This will take a picture of yourself and then we'll start to process it. And we'll show you what exactly you look like with the AI Painter effect. Now the second way of using this AI Painter effect is by tapping on use this effect. Now you want to go ahead and select a photo from your phone library. So I've selected one here. This will now take the picture and we'll change it into an AI painting. So there you go. It has changed it into a painting. So tap on record and that will record your AI painting effect transformation. And there you go. That is how to create the AI Painter video trend on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.